Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to play multiplayer in Dude Theft Wars. So first of all, launch open the Dude Theft Wars game on your device, whether you are using Android or iOS, and wait for the main menu or dashboard to appear. Once it does, go to the right hand corner at the bottom and look for the multiplayer button and tap on it. Now wait for it to enter the multiplayer lobby, and then once it is, go ahead and check if you want to play a private match. If yes, click on private match option at the bottom right and look for the join room tab and enter the room code if you want to join into a private match. But if you want to just make a quick play, click on the quick play option. Now select your game modes and click on start and wait for the game to find you a match. Now you have successfully found a match over here. Go ahead and start playing. So that's how you will be able to play multiplayer on Dude Theft Wars. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.